Okay, so we've been doing a lot of sensory bins lately, which includes orange rice, and so it's pretty messy. Anyway, so I'm going to show you here. I'm just trying to use a broom and dustpan. Oops, that didn't work. To sweep it up, and it gets caught in these little cracks in the floor. So sweeping is not super effective on this floor. Anyway, so now I'm going to show you the vacuum with the small black attachment. Go ahead. Alright, and then after it just goes into this little bin. It's super easy to empty, and you can see very easily when it needs emptied. So it's really handy in picking up the hard to reach stuff that gets in the cracks of the floors.